Hello viewers, if you have already bought iPad 10th generation or any other iPad, in that case you will need an ipencil or third-party ipencil. In this video I will show you about a third-party ipencil that I have bought, and I am getting very good results while writing and doing all the productive tasks on my iPad 10th generation. The name of this third-party ipencil is Kingone ipencil, and it is compatible with 2018 iPad and higher models. In this iPad 10th generation, you can use this third-party pencil, and also you can make use of the scribble feature, that is ipencil feature. As you can see here, the writing experience is very good, and you can also use the scribble feature. Actually, whatever you write on the tablet or your note app, it will automatically detect and it will convert into text. So this is a very good feature. However, you have to learn to use this feature. It will work like this. You can remove the tip of the pencil like this, and you will get extra 3 tips along with the box. So this is a very good thing that you were getting extra tips. If it gets damaged, you can use those tips on your ipencil and start writing. Whenever you are not using your ipencil, you can attach like this. It has magnetic attachment, though the magnet is not so strong, but you can do this. As you can see here, the magnet is little bit less powerful, so if you don't shake the tablet, the pencil will not fall from its position. Currently this ipencil is on sale on Amazon.in, and you can get this ipencil at a very exciting price. So if you are interested, you can buy that from Amazon.in. Links are in the description below. Now if you want to buy a good quality flip cover, then you can buy ESR flip cover. It has magnetic attachment. It will not let your device fall, so it is very good. I have also added the link in the description. If you want to buy, click on that link. Many users have asked me about the best glass for iPad 10th generation or iPad Air. In that case, I will suggest you to buy ESR tempered glass. It will protect your iPad 10th generation from scratch and breakage, so it will give a very good experience. This product is currently on discount on Amazon.in, so if you are interested to buy this product, you can buy from the link in the descriptions below. Hope this video has become informative. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.